Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change background on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So first open your PowerPoint presentation and follow these simple steps. Now I have here this I have this just have a blank presentation so I can show you how to change the background. You can right click on your slide and go for the format background, and you can start changing your background, adding picture or pattern fill so you can give it a pattern like this, or just give it a picture or a text fill, texture fill, and give it a gradient fill. There is also another way is by just uploading a picture from your laptop, or it can be downloaded from stock image or online by giving it the URL. There is another way is by using only some preset designs like these ones, or just give it a solid fill. Let's just have it like that and make it like this, and you will search for some graphics that you will need or that you want or that interests you for your background. And also these backgrounds can be customizable to some points, so you can change the colors of all the the background, the fonts, also the effects. So let's for example go for some for example this one. You can have some presets like this and go for the colors and give it some color that you want, and you can also give it your own favorite color or just customize the colors however you want, and you will have your background changed. So simply that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.